This video is about the US General 5 outlet heavy duty power strip with two USB ports. I've been looking at this in Harbor Freight for a while. It seemed like a great idea. It's got the two USB outlets, which are right here. It's got super powerful magnets on the bottom. It's got foam covering it, so this way it won't scratch or anything. It's got a built-in cord wrap. I mean, the magnets are nice and strong. You snap it on there. And I mean, it's staying on. You don't have to drill a hole through your box to get it to mount. It just goes right there. You plug whatever you need in, and that's exactly where I was going to keep it for while I'm working on whatever I'm working on here on my desk. Problem is, he worked once, and then he stopped. If I hold him down, he stays on. So he worked for one day. I turned it off at the end of the day when I was done with whatever I was working with. Then I came back down, went to turn it back on, and well, that was that. Toast. And it's supposed to be a heavy duty power strip. So let's see what's going on with him. This is very disappointing because it says heavy duty. And if it's heavy duty, why won't I stay on? Obviously it's not heavy duty. And I mean, it says it's got, let's see, it's got two USB outlets, the lighted on-off switch with integrated circuit breaker, mounting holes for permanent installation. So you could, if you want, put two screws in hanging from the screws. Lighted on-off switch is our problem right now. The magnets can supposedly hold 19 pounds. So I do know that I do have power here. Plug in my meter. So if I hold the switch down, I've got power. It's supposed to be a circuit breaker in this, resettable. Oh well. So let's unplug this, and let's see if this piece of garbage is repairable. Kind of hope it is. I'm hoping that this switch I can very easily get to and remove. This thing's an overkill. What mode am I in? First, my battery is good. Go to 1. I don't need to be impacting or going like super fast speed or anything. I have the self-tapping mode on here. Look at that, I pulled that right out. So much for that being a good grommet. Maybe I got a shorted wire here. Maybe it's keeping me off as a safety precaution. Okay. I love it. Okay, so power comes here into this board, goes through my switch, and then comes out here. So my switch is sideways. So power goes in. Switch brings the power back onto the board here, and it comes over to here where the wire looks like it's coming off. It's hard for me to show you guys this. That board is attached to that switch. This is going to be interesting. Let's see what's going on inside this thing. This might actually require some soldering, and somebody did mention in a previous video, not this one but a different video of mine, like I shouldn't have to clean new tools, I shouldn't have to fix new tools. I mean, this I really want it to work out. This might just be a defective model. So let's see. Let's test the electric circuit and see, is it the switch? What's wrong with it? Let's just see what's happened inside this thing. I need to see. I want to know. Let's get into this thing. Okay. Attach here. That's my hot. Okay. Now I brought the red one out. Yes, I did. Neutral. I can clip onto this side, so let's see. Does that happen? Yeah, whatever. Clip on plastic in the neutral. It shouldn't matter. Still hitting the neutral. Okay, so there we go. We're connected to the neutral right there. Let's see the light. So we're connected to the neutral, and we're connected to the hot strip. Nothing is gonna hit ground, right? Should not be blowing sparks. Plug her in, see what happens. Let's make sure it's not gonna fall also at the same time while I'm plugging it in. This is going to be fun because I'm going to be trying to do the switch. Let's see. Okay. It's going to be held in place by that magnet. It's even better. So we're being held in place by this magnet now. I have enough exposed for the switch. Okay, so we have nothing. Power if I hold it. Off. Okay. I really shouldn't have two hands on it in case I'm grounding. Off. Okay. Just like we have on the outlets going to that point. We have nothing. So let's close this now. We're going to shut it off. We don't need voltage for what I'm about to do. Okay. So let's go to a continuity test because we're just checking the circuit. So nothing. Okay. Nothing. Oh, I got continuity. But I'm leaning on the switch. So if I can keep pressure on it, the switch will work. Oh, oh, oh. It's got continuity sometimes. So if I let go, none. If I push, I got continuity. Okay, so I have a bad switch. Now, the next problem becomes so I have a bad switch on here. Because it's not the circuit board, or else I wouldn't get power through. To disconnect this from the board, okay, so these are clipped on to those metal tabs. Problem is, once I disconnect it from the metal tabs, it's flanged on this side right here. Right here, it's flanged on the outside. Then it's got the clips on the inside. Unless I unsolder it from this board, and it actually looks like it might have overheated here. I see something. This is where it comes in, it hits the switch. Switch. So my hands are in the way. Something here so you guys could see. So what's happening is this is where the power wire comes in, hits the board. Then it goes to the switch. This is the one side of the switch. It's got to send the power through the switch when the switch is on. Right now our switch should be on. We're off. Nothing. So it's on. You know, if I hold it, this is the hardest part, is getting it so close. That's why I clipped it on. Yeah. Let's see. Will this grab on? Yeah. Okay. No. But that's okay. I'll put this right here. He's a jumper. He was on before. Test here. Bzzz. Oh well. I feel retarded. I can't get my clip to stay. There we go. Staying on. It's holding on to that friggin' board. Okay, I gotta push. Oh. unfortunately, this here has to go back to Harbor Freight. I hope its replacement will be better.